This video demonstrates how to add custom Active Directory fields in your email signature template using Sigsync Signature Editor. If you want to include additional user-specific information other than the standard Active Directory fields in the signature, such as a custom phone number or extra email address, Sigsync allows you to use the custom Active Directory attributes in the signature template. For instance, there is no user-specific banner image field in Active Directory standard field set. To add a user-specific banner image, you can set custom attributes and use them in your email signature template using Sigsync. The process includes the following steps. Set custom attributes in your Office 365 account. Sync AD changes in Sigsync settings. Add a custom AD field in your email signature template using Sigsync Editor. Let's see how to set custom attributes in Office 365 account. Log into your Office 365 account. Navigate to Users, then click on Active Users. Select the user to set custom attribute. Click the Mail tab. Then, under the More Actions, click Edit Exchange Properties. Select the mailbox under the Recipients tab. Select the mailbox name to set custom attribute. Click on Others and then choose Custom Attribute. Enter the banner URL and click Save button. Let's see how to sync Active Directory changes in Sigsync. Log in to Sigsync Dashboard. Select the Manage Signature tab from the Sigsync Dashboard. Select the Settings tab. Select Sync AD Changes and then click the Sync AD Changes button. Authenticate with your Office 365 Global Admin account. Click Refresh until the latest sync time is displayed. Select the Signature Editor tab. Let's add custom AD field in Email Signature Template. Select the table cell, and then click on Insert Image. Go to the Online Picture option and select the custom AD field. Click the Apply button. Let's preview the changes. The banner image has been added to your email signature template. If you set any text data like Employee ID in the custom attribute, then use the custom AD field component in the signature and select the appropriate field from the list to include it in the signature. Try Sigsync for free today.